Okay, I have my microphone on. I hope this sound is good. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Look at me, surrounding me. This is so good, so good. And today I am on my chauffeur duty, and I came to this area, San Jose, and I have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, something like it, and I do not know where to go, what to do, so I just kept on driving, and 5 minutes later, I come to this beautiful place. This is such a beautiful park. Look at it, surrounding me, and there is a creek behind, and a very, very nice park. And surrounding the park, there are some houses. It's one of the more fortunate place, or one of the place that more fortunate people living here. Anyway, this is a public park, so I want to have a walk along this creek, and it has more water, it has more shade and beautiful scene, and we can just blah 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 around. Okay, so here you see I have to talk, maybe I should take it out. Okay, now I put my microphone in front of my mouth so that I do not need to talk too loud to counter the bird sound. But the bird sound by itself is wonderful. Look at this huge oak tree. Is this oak? I think it is oak tree, right? And behind this park, there, those are houses. But this is such a huge oak tree. So maybe I will just talk about recently some random thoughts in my heart, and I do not really have a topic to talk about, but I want to use this time to relieve myself a little bit, and let's see our thoughts take us to which place. So let me first say how I find this place. I think coming out, just coming to nature, or coming to a place that is away from your suffocated small surrounding is very good, except the helicopter sound, right? And I have been here maybe 5 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, but anyway, a few years ago, I just need some see the helicopter. He's having fun, right? I think I have. Oh, the helicopter is just surrounded my head. Anyway, our life needs to continue. Okay, I have waited many minutes. I am actually quite annoyed by this helicopter because it just produces so much noise and kind of disturbing of my thread of thought. And the truth is actually we can live our life ignoring it, but there is something we can, I better not to go there, but it makes me to think, you know, there is a car passing by with the noise. There is no law to forbid the helicopter sound. So it means that everyone has the equal right to make noise. But I do not make helicopter noise because I do not have the means, right? Yeah. Look at it. So it is not against the law to make noise, and everyone has the right to make noise. And if you have the means to make the noise, you can make a rocket to make the biggest noise. Or you have a lesser mean, you can have a helicopter or an airplane to make a lesser noise. Or if you are even lower in the hierarchy, you can drive a car, and this car can make huge noise, right? We always hear the sound of trucks, of cars making those noises, right? And if you have even less means, you can just shout to make noise. Everyone has the right to make noise. So sometimes, do I make any point at this point? Everyone has the right to do the wrong thing, to do the unpleasant thing. But some people choose not to do. Some people do not mind and choose to do what that please themselves at that moment. What is the reason we choose to be conscious of our surrounding? What is the reason we choose to disregard the other people? Anyway, it's just so good people end up suffering because you care about others, because, or maybe because you are just weak. You do not have the gut to do thoughtless things. Anyway, this is such a silly thing. With this beautiful thing, we do not deserve to destroy our happiness, our enjoyment of nature, right? Let's just forget about those things. I do not know what I'm talking about. You know, this is something we all do, and we are all annoyed by, right? Okay, let me listen to podcast, listen to audiobook instead of making such a frustrating video. Bye bye, friends. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. I love you. I really do. Do. Goodbye. Bye.